Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of PLAY. Big money has been spotted for a big placement into this stock with expectation of a huge move within the next few days. Indeed, the price rallied hard within the next 3 days. Entry is on 3rd July with exit on 6th July. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $1.20 and exit price of $1.90. Spotting the movement of the big money provides huge success to this trade. A nice 58% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MSFT. MSFT is expected to stay within $102 and $108 before the earnings announcement. Thus, this trade made use of the volatility and the natural time decay of options contracts to make the gains. Entry is on 12th July with exit on 18th July. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 0.26 and exit price of 0.40. Understanding the behavior of certain stocks and making use of the inner workings of the options contracts provides the gains for this trade. A nice 53% gain for this trade within 6 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SCHW. Earnings is within days, and big money is anticipating big upwards move for this stock. As expected, the movement came and the price rallied hard. Entry is on 9 July with exit on 17 July. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2 and exit price of $2.80. Understanding the rationale of the big money movement is the key to this successful trade. A nice 40% gain for this trade within 8 days. Let's have a look at the chart of XRT. Big money has placed their position in the retail sector as they are expecting the trade wars to get worse and the retail companies to get the impact. Within the next 2 weeks, the retail sector has fallen down. Entry is on 18 June with exit on 2nd July. In summary, this is a bearish trade that's entry price of $2.70 and exit price of $3.60. Knowing the movement of the big money is the key to this successful trade. A nice 33% gain for this trade within 14 days. Let's take a look at the chart of crude oil as well as DAL. By the general rule of thumb, when crude oil rallies up, airlines will incur greater costs and price tends to go down. As you can see, crude oil is up and DAL is down. When crude oil is down, DAL is up. With the placement of the big money, the price of DAL will still be surging upwards regardless of the movement in the crude oil. Entry is on 20th July with exit on 27th July. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.49 and exit price of $3.30. Knowing the movement of the big money provides the successful key to this trade. A nice 32% gain in this trade within 7 days. Let's have a look at the chart of CELG. Movement is rather stagnant for the initial part of the trade. The surge in price came in early July. Entry is on 1st June with exit on 9 July. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.76 and exit price of $3.61. Patience is the key to this successful trade. A nice 30% gain for this trade. Let's have a look at the chart of CL. Big money has entered their position with expectation of a higher price movement in CL. It has encountered a roller coaster movement before a higher price surge at end June or start of July. Entry is on 17 May with exit on 5th July. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $5.42 and exit price of $7.05. Knowing the movement of the big money provides confidence for this successful trade. A nice 30% gain for this trade. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.